Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to analyze the USD pairs, in specifically EURUSD and GBPUSD, and how we use the dollar index to help us predict where the price is going to go. So remember, if you trade in the USD pairs, you always need to focus on the dollar index first. So if you open up tradingview.com, top left corner search for DXY, which is a US dollar currency index. So first of all, before you trade USD pairs, any USD, you need to look at this first and it'll help you indicate where prices go next. So if we start on the weekly time frame, you want to track the price between support and resistance from the weekly levels. So what you're going to do is you can see clearly that there's a support region here and there's a resistance there. Price will move between these levels on the weekly. We'll then go into the daily time frame and track the price even further between two levels where we need a support and resistance. On the left hand side, if you get your rectangle tool out, you can see there's a high low made here. There's even a high low made here, but I'll use this one here on the daily, and I like it in red. You can have it any color you want. So we've got support here, we've got resistance here. So I know when price is here, it's going to go to this level. If price is here, it's going to go to this level. You then go into the H4 time frame and you want to repeat the process once more. You can clearly see a low high was made here. And this is the most recent lower low. So if price is here, we can expect it to go up. Also, you can have your support region here as well, which I'd rather use just to give it a bit of breathing space. I'll use this one actually. So if price is close to this support, we can expect it to go up. Once price is here, we can expect it to go up to this level. Once price is here, we can expect it to go down, and vice versa. If it breaches it, we can expect it to retest it and go to the daily. Same as if it breaches the support, acts as resistance, it retests it, we can expect it to go down to this level here. So that's how we can decide where and predict where price is going to go. So remember in my previous videos, whenever I've done the analysis on EURUSD, GBPUSD, I always explain to you that the DXY is negatively correlated to the USD, EURUSD and GBPUSD specifically. So if DXY is going up, the USD pairs will go down. We'd look for a sell trade that day. However, if the DXY is going down, then the USD pairs can go up. We would look for buy trades. That's what helps indicate which way price is going to go. So right now I can see price is looking bearish at the moment. It's not close to a level. There's no trades at the moment on EURUSD, GBPUSD. I'll confirm that once I go into those price charts as well. But just from here I can see that price is not ready yet. So we can expect price to maybe go down a bit further. And then once it goes here and we can see a green candlestick, then we can expect price to go up. And if that is the case, once price is around here, because we're expecting DXY to go up, we would expect a USD sell. So that's how we use the DXY to help us indicate where price is going next. So I've done that for H4. We'll then go into EURUSD and start from there. So if you search for EURUSD, top left corner, start on the weekly time frame. You want to track the price between support and resistance. Easy as that. You can clearly see the support and resistance. You then go into the daily time frame, and again you can clearly see a lower low was made here, so we've got support here. And we can see resistance is there. So on the daily it indicates where prices go next. So remember, if price was at this support level, you can expect it to go up to this level here, which it is doing. As you can see, current price action is moving towards here. Also, if you look at the current candlestick on the daily, it's green, which indicates buyers into the market. It's only a bullish day today. there's only buy trades today. But remember, we don't trade every day, we only trade at high probable levels when it is at the level or close to the level. So you can see prices going up. You trap the price between support and resistance on the daily. You then go into the H4 time frame. Get the rectangle tool out. I can clearly see there's a high low here where support is on the H4. And resistance, let's put it here. You could put it here where the candle body is, but I'd rather just have it to the wick, just so you can see where price could potentially go to. So you've got your support and resistance levels. You then go into the H1 time frame. When you're on the H1 time frame, these are intraday trading levels. So these are the levels that we look at during the day, and if it's close to the level, we then enter a trade. So you go on this tool on in the left corner. You want to select Fibonacci retracement. So because it's Monday today, we use it on the previous day's price action. So we can use it from the higher low to the higher high, but to be fair, there's not a very good range to this. So if that is the case where it doesn't give you a very good range, this is just my preference. I'd rather use it from the day before. So I'd rather use it from here. So if I grab this from the high low to the, you can do it from the candle body, I do it from the wick. High low to the higher high. So you can do it to this higher high, but this is the most recent higher high here, and drag it across. That just gives me a larger perspective of where price is, because if price is here in this small range, it doesn't give me an idea where price can go next. It's very tight, so this is just my preference. I'll grab it from the higher low to the higher high. Now this gives you the intraday trading levels. You can have your levels any color you want. I just stick to these colors so I know what's going on. So remember, as I said, there's no trades at the moment because we're looking at the DXY. Remember, DXY, we're expecting it to go down a bit further and retrace from this level. So once price is at this level and it's going up, that's when we can enter a sell trade. This corresponds with this level here. So it's close to the level, it's not ready, it's close, it's still bullish. If it reverses, we see a bearish candlestick like this one here, then you can enter the sell trade. However, daily is green, it is bullish. So it might be the case that there's no actual trades today at all. So you just need to wait. And also looking at current price action, remember nothing's guaranteed with your price action analysis, especially your technical analysis. You just look to the left and you want to increase your chances of winning a trade. But remember, you can always lose as well. This is why we trade at the levels. These are high probable areas. Even if I took a sell trade, we can still lose. And I'll show you why I'm saying that. This candlestick is green, the daily is green. It could breach this resistance, it could test it acting as support, and it could go to this level here, which is a 23%, minus 23%. You've then got a minus 61% fib as well. You see that? So even if it does breach further, you've got H4 level here. It could just go to this H4 level and go retrace further, or it could even breach this H4 and go to the minus 61. So we don't know at the moment. So we just have to wait and see what's happening with price action. These are our intraday levels. I am a scalping trader. I only trade during the day. I'm quick. My entries are quick. I'm in the trade for a few hours and then I'm out. So we'll have to wait and see what's going on. If we see a bearish candlestick here, I will enter a sell trade. In terms of my risk management, I usually like a 10 pip stop loss just above here, and this would be my TP. So my ratio is risk to reward ratio is 7. That's how I would do it, but right now there is no trade. If we look at GBPUSD, start from the weekly, mark your support and resistance, Go to the daily time frame, get the rectangle tool out. Here's a low high, you got your support. Here's a low low, you got resistance on the daily. Sorry, resistance and support. Always get them mixed up. Get the rectangle tool out. You can clearly see there's support here, which has been respected for so long. And resistance is here. This is the most recent high. You've got this one here, but this is the most recent one. You can even have this one here and this one, but I'd rather have it here. It's preference. You then go into the H1 time frame. You're going to get your Fibonacci retracement tool out. Again, similar to the EURUSD we looked at, I could have it here. And these could be my intraday levels, but to be fair, it's too tight. It's not giving me a good range, so it could be, these could be my intraday levels, but I don't like that. So what I'll do is, instead of looking at Friday's price action, look at Thursday. I'll use this as support, which also acts as the H4 support. Drag it to this higher high. You can see that prices as resistance. If it does go down, we would look at the DXY and see if DXY is going up. Remember, DXY is approaching the support, so we can expect there's a reversal. There is a potential reversal. However, price can always go through it and plummet. It could go down further, and if it does go down further, then GBPUSD would continue to go up. But let's just say this is a sell trade that I'm waiting for. Similar price action to the EURUSD. 8 pip stop loss, 76%, 76 pip win, and the risk to reward ratio would be literally nearly 10, which is great. However, looking at current price action, daily is bullish, H4 is bullish, H1 is currently bullish as well. You can see that there is a green candlestick, and it still has momentum to go up. Okay, it is at an intraday level. However, we'd have to wait for it to reverse. Tentative trade. So it looks as though price may breach support. It would act resistance. It would breach resistance. It would then act as support, and then it would go up to the minus 23, and then it could continue to go up to the minus 61. So let's just say if we're not entering a sell trade today and we're entering a buy trade with the trend, which could still happen as well today. I'm just waiting to see how it goes. This could be your TP of 52 pips, and your stop loss could be about 10 pips. So that would still be a 5.1 risk to reward ratio. So I'm just going to have to wait and see how price plays out in the next hour or two. If price is going to reverse from this level, or if it's continued to go up. But obviously, the way that we know where price is going on the EURUSD and GBPUSD is by looking at the dollar index. So remember, here is your dollar index. You can see that there's support and there's resistance. Price is near the support region, so we can expect a reversal. However, like I said, if GBPUSD and EURUSD go up, this would expect to go down, retrace it and go down. So we don't know, we'll have to wait and see. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that session. I try to do as quick as I can. This is how you trade EURUSD and GBPUSD. But remember, if you are trading these pairs, you always need to look at the dollar index. So if dollar index is going down, you'd expect buy trades on these two. But like I said, you can't enter a buy trade now. It would be a bad trade because we're at support. We're at close to support. So you need to wait, and you need to have some common sense, because you can expect price to go a bit down and then it would reverse from here. That's how support and resistance works. So we need to wait and see. I hope you enjoyed that session guys. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.